This video shows how to fix the mobile light being off on a Telstra Generation 3 Smart Modem. If the mobile light is off, the 4G backup will no longer work, and when the main link fails, you will no longer have an internet connection via the 4G backup. Another indication that the mobile backup has failed is that the mobile type shows no connection. And when you go to the mobile diagnostic tag, the network status shows not registered. To fix this, go to the configuration tab and remove the tick next to enabled and save settings. Wait a few seconds and then place a tick in enabled and save settings. The mobile 4G backup should now be working. When you go to the diagnostics tab, you should see this graph, and the radio type should show LTE, and the mobile signal light should be on.